Alright, so let's do a quick tutorial on how to use NeuLevel CRM to send a email after someone downloads something on the website. So we've set up this little download for a cleaning company, how to keep a tidy home. And when people fill out the form here that's in this code on the website, then I want them to be able to download the file. And what we want to do is we want to have the people who fill out that form get an email with it in there, so they don't have to download it manually. So what we're going to do is search for a form as a trigger, form submitted, and we can call that when PDF guide tidy home lead magnet submissions. All right, and then we're going to say form is the tiny home guide save trigger. Now whenever someone puts in their information, this automation will happen. So the next thing we want to do is we want to tag them, add new tag, that way we can just track them, save action. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add them to an email. We're going to send that email, or send the guide in the email. We're going to say it's from email. We'll do the account email. There it is. And then the subject line will be their first name. So contact, first name. Thanks for downloading our guide to a tidy home. And then we could say message, contact, first name. Congratulations on signing up for our tidy home cleaning guide. Have a wonderful day. And then we can stick in, and then we can put in the account name, the account email, the account phone. Now what I like to do, I'll copy that and I'll go over to ChatGPT. I'll say, make this email sound more professional, coming from the cleaning company to the potential prospect. Perfect. Now we'll just take that and we can copy that, put that in here as a better version. Copy, paste. Good to go. Alright, add tag, downloaded, save action, and I think we're good to go. And then we can publish that, and now whenever that happens, it's good to go. Alright, and then we can also say create and add update opportunity, action name, create new download prospect. We'll select main pipeline, new leads, and then we'll put in the contact's first full name, and then we'll say PDF download. Opportunity source will be contact source. Lead value 0, status is open. Save action. Okay, so now when someone downloads that, they are going to be tagged as download. They will get the guide, and then they will now be created as a prospect. Once they are created as a prospect, this lead automation will take over. Let's just save that for now. We need to go get a calendar. We will share. We will copy the permanent link. We will go back. Automation. View lead automation. Email claim. I'm gonna put this link in here. Let's also do a notification. App notice. Alright, now let's make this a little bit more intensive. So now we're going to wait. One day. Save action. Quick follow up. Save. Okay. Now we have a full journey there. Okay, so now when I land on the page, I try and scroll. This comes up. First name is Sam. Yes, I want access to the Tidy Home Guide. So I click on it. Immediately I get the guide. I can download it if I want, just by saving it. And then if I go to my email, so I get the download. Congratulations, here it is. It's got all our information in there the way it's supposed to be. Well, anyways, I get the guide. I get to click on the link, and there it is. It works just fine. If I click on the website, I can go to the website, and then if I come into here, I can see that I have downloaded the new PDF. It works just fine. Get a hold of me if I were an actual lead. If I were on automations, you can also see that I've been enrolled here. New opportunities created. Ashley got the email. I got the offer claim confirmation. So let's check it out.